Hey everyone, my name's Amanda and I like to cook. Today I'm going to show you how to really easily and quickly poach chicken using your Instapot. So let's get started. Alright, so this is actually the 3-quart Instapot. You can also do it in the 6-quart. I'm only doing 2 chicken breasts today, so I needed just a small one. So I'm going to get out 2 chicken breasts and put them down in my Instapot. And then we're gonna put 1-ish cups of water. This is a little bit more than a cup, but you need at least 1 cup to make for the Instapot to work. I'm gonna put a splash of vinegar. This is apple cider vinegar. You could also use red wine vinegar, rice wine vinegar, whatever you have on hand. So that's a couple tablespoons. I'm going to sprinkle in some salt, throw in some bay leaves. Boop, boop. I've got a couple of, these are really tiny garlic cloves. So I have 4 of them, but like 2 fat ones would be great. And these are whole peppercorns. So I'm just gonna put in a good handful of those, like maybe 5, probably got like 10 in there. All right, it's really that easy. So now all we're gonna do, actually I'm gonna kind of move my chicken breast around a little bit because the salt was basically laying all on top of it. We're gonna put the lid on. I don't have the trivet or anything in here. It's just the chicken breast down in the water. See what's in the pot. That might be helpful, right? All right, so just got the chicken breast down there. You can see the bay leaf. We're going to put the lid on. I love that noise. Twist it over to where it says sealing. And we're going to hit pressure cook and move it up to 15 minutes. And it will start doing its thing. So in a little bit, it'll be done. I'll show you what it looks like, and then I will show you a really fast and easy way to shred this poached chicken. Hey guys, it's Amanda from the future, because I did a mistake that a lot of YouTubers make and forgot to hit record. So I'm going to recreate this portion of the video as best I can from yesterday, because this is a really amazing cooking hack that I really wish I had known about years ago. So let's get into it. Okay, again, this chicken is already shredded because it's left over from yesterday, but I can still show you this hack. So yesterday, after my Instapot finished the chicken and I let the pressure go down, I opened it up, and you can either do quick release or let it manual release. If you've got the time, manual release is usually better for protein, because then they say it's less likely to get tough. I haven't really noticed that much of a difference, so most of the time I usually do a quick release. Okay, so you take your chicken breast and you want to put it in a tall edged bowl, and then you just get a regular mixer. You can also use your KitchenAid mixer, but because this is just something to save time and I don't keep my kitchen mixer on my countertop, it's just faster and easier for me to grab my little hand mixer. And you just put the mixer down onto the chicken breast, turn it on, and just shred up your chicken. So it will quickly shred up, and you might have to go up to like level 1 or 2. It starts on 1, and you might have to go up to 2 or 3. Be careful because it'll sling chicken. Sometimes that's why you want a tall edge bowl. And I usually only do 1 chicken breast at a time, maybe 2 if I had a bigger bowl. But then you get this like amazingly perfect shredded chicken. It's super tender. It's got flavor in it because we used that apple cider vinegar or whatever vinegar that you want that helps tenderize the meat. And you know, I flavored it with peppercorns and garlic. And so this meat actually is tasty. And then by itself, but you like, I'm gonna add it to, or last night, I added it to my chicken enchiladas. And I made 2 chicken breasts, and then last night I decided I only needed to use 1. So I have this leftover chicken, which would be great to add mayonnaise and nuts and grapes and turn it into a chicken salad for a sandwich. Or, you know, you can add this to like any other casserole, you know, a million ways to use leftover shredded chicken. I mean, so many ideas. But anyway, I just couldn't let y'all not see this amazing tip. So hopefully my little recreation here worked for you. And I will link the video for the chicken enchiladas, and so you can see how I use up this, how I used up. I'm trying to talk in present and past tense at the same time. It doesn't work. This is now the future. This all happened last night. And YouTuber learning here. All right, y'all have a good day, and I'll see you next time.